Hi Esperance. So President Trump has just signed what is calling the One Big Beautiful Bill. And let's just say it's not just a name. The bill is huge. It affects taxes, healthcare, and most importantly, immigration. If you are planning to move to the US, already there or on a visa or even undocumented, you need to hear this. Let me break it down for you in simple terms. No big grammar, just facts and how it touches real life. What exactly is this big beautiful bill? Trump's big beautiful bill is a new law passed on July 4th, 2025. It does three major things. Makes tax cuts permanent, especially for businesses and rich people. Second thing it does is cut money from social services like food stamp and Medicaid. The third is pump billions into immigration enforcement like border walls and deportation. And the last part is what we are focusing on because it changes how America treats immigrants. So let's talk about the big immigration change. The first one is more border walls and patrols. Trump is bringing back his wall dream strong. Over $46 billion is going to build more walls on the US-Mexico border. Thousands of new border patrol officers are being hired. Drones and surveillance cameras will increase. If you are thinking of crossing the border illegally, it's about to get much harder and riskier. The two is ICE is getting bigger. ICE, the Immigration Enforcement Agency, is about to explode in size. Trump is giving ICE $100 billion over the next few years. 10,000 new ICE agents will be hired. More raids, more arrests, and more deportations. Even people with minor visa issues and expired documents could now be targeted. Thirdly, deportation speed up. Immigration courts are underfunded, but deportation operations are not. More than 1 million deportations per year are expected. So if you are undocumented, overstay a visa, or waiting for paper, you are now at higher risk. So the fourth thing is immigration fees. Even applying for help will cost money now. A $100 fee for asylum seeker. Yes, even if you are fleeing war or danger. Possible higher fees for visa renewals and work permits. If you are poor and need safety, this new system makes it harder to apply. The fifth thing is detention comes back. Families may now be locked up together if caught at the border. Kids and parents could spend weeks or months in detention centers. So if you are fleeing as a family, the journey will be much tougher. And the sixth one is international student and workers visa. More visa rejection may come. OPT, student work programs, could be limited. More background checks and higher costs. So if you are from Nigeria, India, Ghana or Pakistan, getting a student visa may be harder now. Who will this hit the most? Let's be honest, this bill doesn't affect everyone the same way. So let's look at the most affected people, the undocumented immigrants, asylum seekers from Africa, South America, Middle East, low-income families, and even those with papers, international students, and global South countries, refugee and family fleeing violence. If you are from places like Nigeria, El Salvador, Venezuela, or Syria, you likely feel this more than someone from Europe or Canada. So what should you now do? If you plan to migrate to the US, start gathering your documents early, apply legally, and avoid border crossings. Prepare to pay higher visa fee and legal fees. Speak to a licensed immigration lawyer. No shortcuts. The second thing you can do is, if you're already in the US, make sure your visa or green card is valid. Avoid any criminal record or police trouble. Update your immigration paperwork ASAP. You know what I mean? As soon as possible. Know your rights during ICE encounters. Another thing you can do is, if you are undocumented, avoid risky jobs or travel. Stay informed on sanctuary cities. Seek legal aid before making any moves. Have a plan for emergencies, including a trusted contact. Okay, now what are people saying? What are people saying about this bill? This bill is very controversial. One, Trump and his team say these bills make America safer. We are protecting jobs, families, and the country. Immigrant rights group says this bill is cruel, racist, and dangerous. It punishes the poor and the desperate. Even some Republicans are worried about how expensive it is and how it may, backfire politically. Court cases are expected. Activists are organizing, but for now, it is the law. So here's the deal. Trump's big beautiful bill is more than a catchy name. It's a serious shift in immigration policy. If you are an immigrant, a student, or part of a mixed status family, this bill affects you directly. Even if you are watching from outside the US and hoping to migrate to, these rules just got tougher and they part longer. But don't panic, get informed, prepare ahead, and protect yourself with knowledge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? And don't forget to leave a comment for me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.